Hey, it's Zac Young. I am super stoked to be celebrating Pride Month with Kroger. You probably know me from the sweeter side of things, but you can't live on cake alone. So today we are making fresh spring rolls with the star of the show, a peanut butter dipping sauce. We're using Peanut Butter and Company, which is one of my favorite products available at Kroger, and they are also an LGBTQ+ owned company. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the peanut sauce. I have my Peanut Butter and Company Smooth Operator. To that, we'll add some raw sugar, gluten-free tamari. That'll give some nice saltiness to our peanut sauce. And then fresh lemon juice. Finally, we'll add some sesame oil. Give it a little garnish, just a few peanuts. Right, sauce is done. So let's make some fresh spring rolls. Fresh spring rolls, they are basically a food group for me. It is like a portable salad. So let's build. So we'll start with our rice paper wrappers. Some lettuce, finely shredded. We'll add fresh carrots, sprouts, some fresh cilantro, avocado, some of our cucumber. All right, let's get rolling. Like a burrito, keep it tight. Tuck those sides in, bingo. So the freshness of this roll, right? All of those, oh yeah, that was satisfying. All of the beautiful, crunchy, fresh veg, paired with the richness and the nuttiness of this peanut sauce, it's the perfect combination. Well, that was easy. Thank you so much for celebrating Pride with me, Kroger, and Peanut Butter and Company. Find these recipes on Kroger.com, and of course, all of the ingredients are at Kroger. I'm gonna keep eating my dessert. I already have my salad. This is like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, by the way.